Hi guys, this is Slim Easy and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to get to this boom and crash strategy. I've already made a video on this systematic indices, and I think I'll be making a lot of strategy to this boom and crash. Okay, so sorry. So I come up with this strategy. I take my time to just figure out how this strategy is going to be useful, and I've already practiced this strategy in a $1,900 account. So I've practiced this strategy, and you see that I've already run into I've already doubled this account. So this is not this is not a joke strategy. Okay, so this strategy is one of the best strategies you can be using to scalp boom and crash and make a lot of money trading boom and crash. Okay, so this is mainly busy. If you are if this is a new channel, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this content, and also turn on the notification so that I upload new strategy or new videos, so you guys it will usually notify you. So today this is a strategy. So I just want to I'm going to first show you guys the setting for this strategy before I teach you guys, and how you guys are going to make use of this strategy to trade boom and crash. Okay, so let's quickly dive into this strategy without wasting much of our time. So now, so to add all your indicator up, this is the icon you are going to go to add all your indicator. So you are going to click on the icon, and this is all the indicator we needed. Just find the indicator we needed. So I'm going to first delete everything up, then we are going to start from scratch. Okay, so I'm going to delete everything up so we can start from scratch. Okay, so you can see now that I've already deleted everything, so we are going to start from scratch. So I've already trade now for, I think I've already trade for small while. So I think 57 yesterday. So but I decided not to close the trade, but because I'm still expecting the market to go to go up more. So you can see this is a snapper entry right here. This is where I took the trade, a snapper entry without no spike, because I use this strategy to take the trade. Once I see the confirmation, then I jump in without any hesitation. So now go to this icon. Then first indicator we are going to be adding is the moving average. So this is the parameters for the moving average. The period is 10, shift 0. The method is dynamic. Apply to weighted close. So the style is going to be blue. You can use any style of your choice, but I'm decided to use blue. So after I set everything up there, click on done. Okay, then you have your moving average right in your chart. Okay, the second indicator we are going to be adding is going to be our Bollinger Band. Okay, so just click, if you want to add it, just click on this F plus icon. Then you are going to be adding our Bollinger Band, which is right here, I think. So this is the Bollinger Band. So click on it. Then this is the parameter for the Bollinger Band. The period is 7. The deviation is 0.400. Shift 0. Apply to previous indicators data. So I'm choosing the green color. So you can choose color of your choice as well. So after I set everything up, click on done. Then you have your Bollinger Band right in your chart. Okay. So the next indicator we are going to be adding is going to be our indicator window 1. So we're going to be adding the indicator which is called RSI. This is the indicator right here. The RSI. So sorry, this is the indicator right here. This is the RSI. So we are going to be adding our RSI. So now the parameter for the RSI is going to be period 7. Apply to open. Style, you don't need the style, so reduce the levels for the RSI. This is the levels. So now this is the levels. We're going to need the just two levels, the overbought and the oversold levels. So this is going to be 15 and 85. Okay, so we are going to be using 15 and 85 levels. Then click on done. This is to add your RSI up. So now you can see we have our RSI right in our chart. The next indicator we are going to be adding is going to be our moving average. Okay, the moving average is going to be the same as the moving average we are in our chart. Just click on the moving average. So it's going to be in our indicator window 1, which is right here. So it's going to be in our indicator window 1. So just click on the moving average. Just set it up as the fourth one. So then you have your moving average on the right in the chart. Sorry, there's some error right here. So I need to probability 10. Okay, so now we have moving average right in the chart. The last indicator, the list indicator we are going to be adding is going to be the awesome oscillator, which is down here. We're going to be adding an awesome oscillator up. So this is the parameter for awesome oscillator. Set everything up like this, then click on done, and you have your all your settings. You have all your indicator settings right in your chart. Okay, so you have an indicator right in your chart. Now, okay, so I think I should be closing out trade now because I'm expecting the market to reach 4,000 before I close this trade. So this market to reach 4,000. So I'm closing out my trade now. So I'm closing out my trade. So give me some minutes. Let me close up. So I have closed all trade now from 1,900 to $4,000. This money here in boom and crash. Okay, it's money here in boom and crash. So now let's get back to our video. So now, since we have set all our indicator up, so what do we need to do? The first thing that you can be using strategy to trade on 5-minute time frame, and you can be using strategy to trade on 1-minute time frame. Okay, so that depends on you. That depends on you. Everything you need to see on your 1-minute time frame is also everything you need to see on your 15-minute time, on your 5-minute time frame. I mean, okay. So now I'm going to teach you guys I'm going to teach you guys what you need, the confirmation you need to see, before taking any entry. Confirmation you need to see before taking any entries. And I'm also going to teach you guys where you're going to enter, when you're going to your entries, so when you're going to enter your trade. And I'm also going to teach you guys your exit, where you are going to exit your trade when you enter. And also I'm going to give you I'm going to give you everything that you need to understand about the strategy. So everything you need to understand about the strategy, I'm going to teach you everything up. So the first one is the confirmation right here. The second one is the entry, and the third one is the exit, and the last one is understanding the strategy. So now the first one, which is the confirmation, you need to see before taking any entries. So I'll be using the way I took my trade, which is around here. So I'll be using this area, and what give me the chance of taking the trade. Okay, so now the first thing, maybe I should use my 5-minute time frame. So I'll be using 5-minute time frame. So the first thing you need to see before taking any entry with this strategy is you have to first on your chart, you have to first look at what is happening right here. The first thing you have to see that your moving average. Because what the moving average does, the moving average crossing above the Bollinger Band, and also the price. You can see the price, the candles closing above the Bollinger Band. So I'm expecting to use to take your entries right at this candle right here. So let me zoom so you guys can see it more clearly. So we can see crossbar right with the Bollinger Band, moving average crossing above the Bollinger Band, and you can see this is the candle that closed above the Bollinger Band. So I'm expecting you wait for the candle to close. You wait for the second candle to close, then you enter right at this candle. Okay, so that is the confirmation you need to see right in your chart. Now for the indicator with one, the confirmation you need to see as well is that you have to see that the moving average as well is at the 20. It's at the 15 levels of the RSI. So the moving average is at 15 levels of the RSI, and also the oscillator volume changing from red to green. That is the confirmation you need to see before taking any entry. You are using strategy to scalp, not to catch spike. Okay, so this strategy to scalp, not to catch spike. And if you want to use strategy to catch spike, you can backtest on that, because you can see right here the strategy also used to catch spike, which you can see right here. The spike when it touches the Bollinger Band, spike when it touches the Bollinger Band. Okay, so that is that on that. So maybe I should I will teach you guys a little bit on how you guys can use strategy to catch spike, and what I want you to do is just to backtest it, figure out how it's going to work on your own trading style. Okay, but for the sake of this strategy, this strategy is used to catch spike. Okay, you to scalp. I mean, you should to scalp. Okay, so now that's what you are expecting. That's what you are expecting. So let's use another example. Let's use another example. So let's use another example. So now let's use this area as well. Let's use this area as well. So same thing happens right here as well. So we can see that the moving average is crossing above the Bollinger Band, and you can see that this is a candle that's closed above the Bollinger Band. So I'm not expecting you guys to take any trade right here. Even I'm not expecting you guys to take any trade right at this candle. I'm not also expecting you guys to take any trade right at this candle. You want to take trade when this candle close. When this candle close and the market doesn't spike, then we're expecting to enter right here, because the market might reach using this area right here and the spike. Okay, so we're expecting the candle to close above them before we take any trade. You can see that this candle is the one that closed above them. Then you enter right at this candle, and then when you see that confirmation right in your main chart, then the second thing you need to see is the confirmation right in your indicator, in your indicator window 1, which is right here. You can see that the moving average touching the 15 levels of the RSI, and also the MACD is changing from red to green. That's confirmation for a buy trade. Okay, so that's confirmation you need to see before taking any trade. So same thing applicable on boom as well. So it's going to be in the opposite chart for boom. So now to catch spike with this strategy, let me give you a small view about catching spike with this strategy. Now for the zoom level as well, you can examine zoom level of your trade, but do not use the zoom level. Do not use the last zoom level. Okay, so you're going to be using is that the second or the third zoom level. Okay, so now I could see that using strategy to catch spike is what you need to see. We can use this strategy to catch spike. Now let's use this area as an example. Now you can see something right here. You can see something right here that you can see right in your indicator window 1. You can see that the moving average is touching the 85 levels, and the Action oscillator volume is changing from green to red. Okay, so that's the confirmation based on your indicator window 1. And for the price, for the indicator right in your main chart, you're expecting that a spike might should close below the moving average and then the Bollinger Band. So when the price close and the moving average crossing below the Bollinger Band, then you're expecting to take your spike when the price move close to the Bollinger Band, move close to the Bollinger Band, which you are seeing right here. Let me zoom so you guys can see. So you can see the price move close to the Bollinger Band. That is when you are going to go for your sell. That's where you are going to cash back. Okay, so now let's say that you open for a trade for a sell trade right at this area. Now let me use this area as an example. So now you can see. Now let's say I'm teaching where you are going to exit now. You're going to exit based on spike. So now here is what we're seeing right here. Now you can see that when the candle almost touches the Bollinger Band, you're expecting to take your trade. But when you see that a candle have closed above the Bollinger Band, then you are expecting to exit your trade. You're expecting to exit your trade from there. Okay, so that is that on how you guys can use strategy to catch spike. Now based on our today's video, so about scalping with this strategy. Now I already teach you guys confirmation. Now I'm going to give you the entry now and exit. Now for the entries, this is when you are going to enter for a trade. This is when you are going to enter for a buy trade. Now you are enter when you see that I've already made mention of it. We are expecting when you see that the price have closed above the Bollinger Band, and also the moving average have moved above the Bollinger Band. That's when you are going to enter your trade. And same thing in your chart. Your chart. So we are expecting that the moving average as well also need to touch 15 levels, and the also oscillator change from red to green. That is for entries. Okay, that's for entry. Now for the exit. This is where you are going to exit your trade. This is where you are going to exit your trade. You are going to exit your trade when a spike has closed below the Bollinger Band. You can see this is where I'm expecting you guys to close your trade. When this spike happens, closing you can see that this small spike do not close below the moving average and the Bollinger Band. This small spike, but this spike right here closing below the Bollinger Band. Okay, that is when you are going to exit your trade. You are going to exit when you see this spike. When you see this spike, we are going to exit your trade. Okay, so that is for the exit. That is for the exit. You are using price actions for an exit, and also your indicator right in your chart. You are not using the indicator with the one. You are using the one in your chart for an exit. Now, now for the understanding about the strategy, this is what you need. I've already teach you guys the entry, exit, confirmation, and for the understanding. So you are going to now to understand the strategy a lot more better, I'm going to need you guys to do me for by backtest the strategy right on your own. Backtest the strategy and figure out how it's going to work on your own trading system. Everyone has his own trading system, but for my own trading system, this strategy is one of the key strategies you can be using to trade market. And you could say that you just need a little backtesting. Let's say one day backtesting the strategy, and they start using the strategy to trade on, because I already backtested, figure out how everything works, and can be using it straight away. But just spend some hours backtesting it also in your own trading system, then start to use strategy to make crazy money on boom market. As I did to $1,900 account to a $4,000. This is not a joke strategy, okay? So I hope you guys understand the strategy. I hope you guys love this type of content. If you love this type of content, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also turn on notification, push notification. So every time I post a new video, new strategy, new content, YouTube will surely notify you. So this is Mini Fizzy. This is the new channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video.